Welcome to the SSB Outlet. Today we have a 2011 Harley Davidson Super Glide Custom. This bike has 48,700 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show you the highlights and then we'll fire it up for you. The bike comes with an LED headlight, smoked lens covers, a 7-inch pullback bar riser. I believe these are drag bars that are on it. Levers, grips, air intake, Screamin' Eagle pipes, factory mid controls, rear mounting hardware, and again the smoke lenses along with the tail light. And again mid controls, grips and levers. This also has a USB port, a dual. And again, those bar risers. $48,611 is what's on it. This 2011 Super Glide Custom will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB Outlet.